Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and enjoying. Let's learn today. We are going to learn OA words. O and A is together, the sound becomes O. Let's blend OA words and read them together. Boat, boat. A boat is a water vehicle used to travel on water. Come on, read with me, children. Boat, boat. You don't have to read the A in the word. So we use a boat to travel from one place to another, and we go fishing and we enjoy the rides and fun. So boat, boat. Next word is coat, coat. A coat is a piece of clothing worn over other clothes to keep us warm. We use a coat for keeping our body warm in cold weather, and it protects us from wind, rain, and snow. So read with me. Coat, coat. The next word is goat, goat. A goat is a domestic animal that gives us milk and is often raised on farms. The goat also provides us milk to drink, and it also gives us wool and milk. Goat, goat, children. Read with me, children. Road, road. A road is a wide path made for vehicles, people, and animals to travel on. Road helps us to travel from one place to another. We also do walking, cycling, and other activities on the road. Road, road. The next word is toad, toad. A toad is a small amphibian that lives on land and near water. So, it eats insects like flies, mosquitoes, and bugs. And it keeps our gardens and farms healthy. Toad, toads, children. The next word is soap. Soap. Soap is the substance used to clean our body, clothes, and other things. Can you see the picture of the soap, children? Let's read it together. The soap helps us to clean our clothes and to remove dirt and stains. Soap, soap. And the next word is coal, coal. Coal is a black, hard rock that we use as a fuel. We use coal for generating electricity in power plants and running trains and other machines. So, read with me. Coal, coal. And your next word is board, board. Board, board. A board is a flat, hard surface that we write on, draw on, or pin things on. We use a board for writing and drawing in classrooms and teaching and explaining lessons. So let's read the word board, board. The next word is oat, oat. Oat is healthy, whole grain that gives us energy and keeps us strong. So we use oat for making nutritious foods like oatmeal, porridge, and oat milk. And it keeps our heart healthy, and it helps in digestion also. So oat, oat. The next word is goal. Goal. A goal is something you want to achieve or accomplish. So, learning new things and doing well in school and getting better at sports or hobbies, we make the goals and then we try to achieve the goals. Goal, goal. And your next word is float. Float. To float means stay on the surface of water or air without sinking. Let's read the word float. Float. Floating in water, in a pool or lake. Or helium balloons float in the air, and boats and ships also float on water. Toast. Toast is bread that is heated until it is brown, crisp, and warm. It is a quick and easy breakfast. And to make the toast is an easy job. And sharing with family and friends. Toast. Let's read it together. You should now practice your OA words at home and in your free time as well. So like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.